The prospect of good momentum, whale movements, and new project enthusiasm were all high points for the Shiba Inu community. A dramatic turn of events in the last 24 hours has sent shockwaves through the Shiba Inu ecosystem, affecting every holder just when everything appeared to be going according to plan. What precisely happened at this time? Furthermore, what am I discussing? Allow me to clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the curve in the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more ship news, be sure to click the like button. Recently, there has been a noticeable change in the Shiba Inu scene inside the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies. There has been a startling 85% drop in significant transactions in only 3 days. The abrupt decline in value of Shiba Inu indicates a significant exodus of major investors and dealers from the market, prompting analysts to question the underlying causes of this explosive change. When we get into the details, information from inside the block provides a clear picture of this notable downturn. In the last day, the number of significant Shiba Inu transactions has dropped to around 360 billion tokens, or only $3.3 million in value. There have only been 10 transactions above $100,000 in Shiba Inu tokens within this short period of time, which accounts for this sharp decline. And this is something you need to know. Using the Shiba Inu ecosystem, focusing on transactions above $100 million offers a strategic window into the dynamics of the market. This refined technique, which selectively focuses on significant transactions, captures the behavior of big participants and huge holdings. Large capital commitments are often indicated by transactions of this size, which may be the result of institutional investors, whales, or very wealthy people. Restricting the study to transactions that above the $100,000 mark allows us to better understand the choices and activities of key players in the Shiba Inu community. The market is often significantly impacted by these bigger deals, have a more noticeable effect on the dynamics of the market, representing strong purchasing or selling pressure. As a result, the focus on deals of this size allows for a better comprehension of the alterations in opinions among important stakeholders, giving important insights into the general state and future prospects of the Shiba Inu market. Furthermore, the drop in significant transactions related to whale activity raises concerns for Shiba Inu's near future, in addition to suggesting that key actors are retreating. Consider Shiba Inu marketplace to be a busy club at night. The whales, or the big shots, in this situation are comparable to the A-list superstars populating the dance floor. Imagine for a moment if these superstars decide to end the party early. What is the club's buzz all about? For what reason did they depart? What does it signify for the evening's atmosphere, too? Think of the whales as the ones purchasing massive champagne bottles and showcasing their skills on the dance floor. When they abruptly decide to tone it down or leave the area, the vibe of the party seems to change. Everyone at the club is left wondering why the mood changed so quickly as these well-known partygoers suddenly disappear from the scene. Let's go specific now. The whales are the big spenders, the ones who shell out thousands for bottle service or lavish entrances. When they go, it's like the DJ abruptly switches up the music. As attention shifts away from the high rollers, people begin to ask themselves, what's going on? Has a new hotspot emerged in the area? The dance floor may feel different afterwards. Perhaps there's a different mix of new dancers or a more subdued vibe. It seems as if the night's beat is shifting and everyone is attempting to find a new groove. The whale's departure leaves a kind of emptiness in the nightclub, and this absence often inspires rumors about who will be the next great thing or who will steal the show. In other words, it's more than simply a nightlife update when the major stars depart the party early. It resembles a scene change in a big-budget motion picture. As the story develops, more dialogue is exchanged. Are the celebs taking a vacation from each other, or is a new age of nightclub evolution underway? Everyone in the club is riveted by the mystery and suspense, waiting impatiently for the next development in the Shiba Inu nightlife tale. As the market adjusts to this significant decline in whale activity, which was previously mentioned. All eyes are on whether this is a temporary adjustment or the start of a more significant change in the Shiba Inu's trajectory. As a crucial barometer of these latest shifts, the data from Into the Block provides an insight into how the story of the Shiba Inu tale is developing. And thankfully, cryptocurrency is open source. Think of the world of cryptocurrencies as a glass house. Anyone walking by can see what's going on inside. This transparency lets us view every action and choice made in the room, much as when the curtains are drawn back. However, why is this advantageous? Imagine you're playing a game and all of the cards are on the table. This is especially true with Shiba Inu. You are able to see who is taking risks and who is being cautious, and the real-time progression of the game. Transparency and cryptocurrency do it. It makes all of the data publicly available for viewing. Transparency in the context of Shiba Inu or any other cryptocurrency allows us to monitor each and every transaction, regardless of size. When the whales break the surface or when ordinary users join in, we can see it. It's as if you have an aerial perspective of the whole cryptocurrency scene thanks to this transparency. Still, why is this relevant? It feels like you're in a translucent building metropolis. You can keep an eye on the flow of traffic, determine where people are going, and predict changes. Transparency in the cryptocurrency space allows us to see the big picture of who is entering, leaving, and the state of the market as a whole. Being thus visible is a powerful thing. It enables us to respond to changes, comprehend market trends, and make well-informed judgments. It's like getting a crypto-specific weather prediction. You are aware of when bright days or storms are likely to arrive. However, this is a very intriguing discovery. A new development in the constantly evolving meme token market has seen Solana's Bunk, a different participant, overtake Shiba Inu in terms of trading volume. The Shiba Inu community is now concerned about this turn of events. But why should this worry us? Consider Shiba Inu to be a flagship in the realm of tokens influenced by memes. It's comparable to winning a certain category as the top dog. When a different token, such as Solana's Bunk, overtakes the leader in trade volume, it indicates that interest and activity are moving to other places. In an ideal world, Shiba Inus would continue to dominate their respective fields. It's similar to a business losing the top rank in its sector when another meme token surpasses it in any given measure. It has actual ramifications and is not simply about bragging rights. Price increase for owners of Shiba Inu may be adversely affected by this change. This is the reason. In the realm of cryptocurrencies, value often corresponds with attention. Investments and interest in Shiba Inu may be diverted if other meme-inspired ventures begin to get more attention than Shiba Inu. Those who are fresh to the cryptocurrency sector in particular have a tendency to follow the excitement. Shiba Inu's price increase can possibly slow down if it loses its status as the preferred meme token. And why is the price rise of Shiba Inu so important to holders? It's similar to holding stock in a firm, really. Over time, you want the value to rise. The increase in value of the token has an immediate effect on Shiba Inu holders' investment. Shiba Inu's value may be impacted if demand for the token declines and it becomes less appealing than other meme tokens. And among owners of Shiba Inu, all of it may set off a chain reaction. Imagine owning a Shiba Inu and seeing the rise of another meme token. Certain holders may begin to doubt their loyalty, particularly if Bonk seems to be a better option. It's similar like cheering for a struggling sports team when all of a sudden another team begins winning. Some supporters could think about changing sides. Selling one's Shiba Inu ownership is the equivalent of switching loyalties in the realm of cryptocurrencies. This is how it works. Holders may choose to sell their Shiba Inu tokens if they see another meme token becoming more and more popular and maybe delivering higher rewards. There is increased selling pressure on the Shiba Inu market as more holders possibly shift their assets away from Shiba Inu and onto initiatives like Bunk. The transfer of cash between projects is a frequent event in the Bitcoin industry. It is motivated by the search for more favorable circumstances and profits. Owners of Shiba Inu may be asking themselves in this situation, why would I stick with Shiba Inu if there's a better alternative? Should this notion get up steam, it may lead to a struggle in the rise of Shiba Inu prices. The market value of Shiba Inu tokens may be impacted by a drop in demand due to selling pressure from holders switching to other projects. However, what are your thoughts about that? Please leave a comment below. I look forward to reading your thoughts. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.